Good morning, friends. Today we shall discuss chapter 1 matrices. What is the definition of matrix? Actually, definition क्या है matrix का? If the complex numbers are arranged in the form of rectangular array consisting of the complex number in horizontal lines or vertical lines is called a matrix. Horizontal lines are called rows, vertical lines are called columns. I understand. For example, always matrix is denoted by capital letters, capital A, and using square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, here always rows are counted from top to bottom. For example, 1, 2, 3. And columns are counted from right, left to right or right to left. No problem. 1, 2, 3. Here matrix A having 3 rows and 3 columns. Or understand what is the definition of matrix? Here I am using only integers. Sometimes we are also using complex numbers also. 1 plus I, 2 minus I, 3 plus 4I, I minus I, 0, 1, 2, 2I. This is also a matrix. So, here we are also using complex numbers, and sometimes we are also using natural numbers, rational numbers, any numbers. Or understand definition? What is the definition of matrix? If the complex numbers are arranged in the rectangular array consisting of the complex numbers in horizontal lines and vertical lines is called a matrix. Okay, here elements of a matrix, elements, these are the elements or these are the numbers of a matrix are called elements or entries. It is denoted by I, J. I stands for rows, J stands for columns. I stand for rows, J stands for columns. Okay? Here, observe here, A, I, J. Most very important problem now we shall discuss. This is the most very important. Construct a matrix 3 by 2 or 2 by 3 or 3 by 3 where Aij is equals to I plus j by 2. First of all, we shall discuss order of a matrix. What is the definition of order of the matrix. Already I told, but once again I am telling now. For example, A is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, what is the definition of order? Order क्या है? Number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows into number of columns. Just we will be observe here order of matrix क्या है? How shall we calculated rows from top to bottom? 1, 2, 3. So 3 rows. Columns 1, 2, 3. So 3 columns. Now order of the matrix A is 3 by 3. We are also read as 3 by 3. Somebody they will be read 3 into 3. That is wrong. This is, we are also reading 3 by 3. 3 by 3. It means 3 rows, 3 columns. Now here question example question क्या है? Construct a matrix 3 by 2 where Aij is equals to I plus j by 2. Now you can do it. A is equals to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 meaning क्या है? 3 by 2 meaning क्या है? 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 rows. So A11. A11 is the element of matrix A. It indicates for first row, first column. First row, first column. A11. A12. First row, second column. How many columns are there? 2 columns. So 2 column. A11 is first row, first element. A12 is first row, second column. Next one. A1. Sorry. Second row. A21. A22. A31. A32. Observe here. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. How many columns are there? 1, 2. So 3 by 2 matrix is A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Now 1 by 1 we are also finding A11. Actually, what is given that Aij is equals to I plus j by 2. So first of all we will be find A11. So I value 1, j value 1. I value 1, j value 1. 1 plus 1 by 2. So 2 by 2 is equals to 1. Next element क्या है? A12. 1 plus 2 by 2. So 3 by 2. Next element क्या है? A21. 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 So 2 plus 1. Here I value 2, j value 1. 2 plus 1 by 2. So 3 by 2. Next value क्या है? A22. 2 plus 2 by 2. 4 by 2. This one plus 2. A31. So 3 plus 1 by 2. So 4 by 2. 2. Next one A32. A32 means 3 plus 2 by 2. So 5 by 2. We are also finding all elements of a matrix A. So answer A is equals to A11 वैल्यू क्या है? 1. A12 वैल्यू क्या है? 3 by 2. नेक्स्ट वन A21 वैल्यू क्या है? 3 by 2. A22 वैल्यू क्या है? 2. A31 वैल्यू क्या है? 2. A32 वैल्यू क्या है? 5 by 2. Okay, we are also construct 3 by 2 matrix. Are you understand? Yes, very good, very good. Here we are also ऑब्जर्व मैट्रिक्स 3/2 मीनिंग क्या है? 3 rows 2 columns, 3 rows 2 columns, first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column, third row first column, third row second column. So we are also arranging here. Okay, or understand? Yes. Next, types of matrices. Types of matrices. Types of matrices. Types of matrices. Very easy topic. Matrices. Very easy. First one, square matrix. स्क्वेयर मैट्रिक्स. फर्स्ट वन क्या है? स्क्वेयर मैट्रिक्स. स्क्वेयर मीन क्या है? ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल, लाइक दैट. हियर नंबर ऑफ रोज बाय नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स आर इक्वल. स्क्वेयर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स मीनिंग क्या है? ये स्क्वेयर मैट्रिक्स which is defined number of rows is equals to number of columns. A matrix is said to be square matrix if number of rows is equals to number of columns. Just you can observe here, A is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. How many rows? 1, 2, 2. How many columns? 1, 2. So 2. So 2 rows, 2 columns. Number of rows is equals to 2. Number of columns is equals to 2. So this is the square matrix. Are you understand? Okay. Next, rectangular matrix. A matrix is said to be rectangular matrix if number of rows is not equals to number of columns. Rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. Number of rows not equals to number of columns. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rows are there? 1, 2. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3. Number of rows 2, number of columns 3. So this matrix is called a rectangular matrix. Next, row matrix. Row matrix. Row matrix. A matrix is said to be row matrix if matrix having only one row. Having only one row. Having only one row. Like that. I 2, 2 plus 3i, 2 plus I, 3, like that. How many rows are there? Only one row. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So a matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. Next one, fourth one, column matrix. Column matrix. Column matrix. A matrix having only one column, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. How many columns are there? Only one column. Okay, a matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. Next, zero matrix. Zero matrix. Zero matrix. Very simple. Zero matrix means everybody knows a matrix having all zeros. A matrix, elements of a matrix having all zeros is called a zero matrix. How many rows are there? 3 rows. So this is 3 by 3 and it is denoted by O, that like that. O 3 by 3. Okay. Next one. Most very important definitions. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix. Why, sir? You are using diagonal matrix having only square matrix. Why? Diagonal matrix. Diagonal means we are also having diagonal for square. Now here, for example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, first row first element and second row second element and third row third element. These elements 2, 6, 10 are principal diagonal elements. Principal diagonal elements. 2, 6, 10 are principal diagonal elements. This is called principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. So diagonal matrix क्या है? Diagonal matrix क्या है? A square matrix is said to be diagonal. Is said to be diagonal. Principal diagonal elements are not equals to 0 and remaining elements are zeros. Remaining elements are zeros. Here zeros. Principal diagonal elements are not equals to 0 and other elements are zeros. This matrix is called a diagonal matrix. Here somebody telling like that. Here you can observe here A11, A12, A13. Why? A11 means first row first element, A12 means first row second element, A13 means first row third. ठीक है, first row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Here observe here A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Observe here. What I am telling now here, this is the principal diagonal elements are not equals to 0. This is I, this is J. What you are observe here? I is equals to J. This is I, this is J. I is equals to J. This is I, this is J. I is equals to J. So a square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if Aij not equals to 0, A equals to J. A equals to J, these elements are not equals to 0. Aij is equals to 0, is equals to 0, I not equals to J. Observe here, this is I, this is J. These are not equal, but element is 0. These are not equal, but element is 0. These are not equal, but element is 0. These are not equal, element is 0. These are not equal, element is 0. These are not equal, element is 0. Simply we can say that diagonal means diagonal elements are not equal, remaining elements are zeros. This is called a diagonal matrix. Most very important. Diagonal matrix. Principal diagonal elements. Elements of principal diagonal are non-zeros. Remaining elements are zeros. Is called a diagonal matrix. Next, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. This is also important. Scalar matrix. डेफिनेशन ऑफ डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स क्या है? A square matrix is said to be diagonal if the elements of a principal diagonal are not equals to zeros and remaining elements are zeros. Now we are also starting here. What is the definition of scalar matrix? A diagonal matrix is said to be scalar. A diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be scalar. Is said to be scalar matrix is said to be scalar matrix if y already here diagonal matrix means principal diagonal elements are not equals to zeros and remaining elements are zeros. Now here diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix meaning क्या है? Already principal diagonal elements are not equal and remaining elements are zeros. But here scalar matrix principal elements of principal diagonal are equal, are all principal diagonal elements of principal diagonal are all are equal. It means, for example, A is equals to elements of principal diagonal all are equal. Meaning क्या है? इधर 3 0 0 0. This is also 3 0 0 0. This is also 3. This is the principal diagonal elements of principal diagonal. Elements of principal diagonal all are equal. This is called a scalar matrix. What we are observing here? Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but need not be a every diagonal matrix need not be a scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but diagonal matrix is need not be a scalar matrix. Next, identity matrix or unity matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix. Here, simply we are taking values. Unity matrix is denoted by I is equals to principal diagonal elements are equals to 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here elements of principal diagonals all are equals to 1 and the remaining elements are zeros. Here I 3 by 3 because this is 3 rows and 3 columns. Sometimes we are also writing 2 by 2 matrix. So I 2 by 2. How? 1 0 0 1. This is the I 2 by 2. ठीक है, आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स और यूनिटी मैट्रिक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, इक्वालिटी मैट्रिक्स. Equality equal means equality. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal matrices if first condition A and B are same order. A and B are same order. A and B are same order. Same order means A मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर एंड B मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर सेम होना चाहिए. सेकेंड वन, corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. Now for example, A is equals to x, y, z, p. Okay, as well, no problem. B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. If A is equals to B, then what is the answer? If A equals to B, then what is the answer? X. First of all, what we have observed, what is the definition of equal matrices? Equal matrices का definition क्या है? Sorry, equal matrices. Sorry, equal matrices. A and B are same order. Just you can observe here. A matrix order 2 by 2, B matrix order 2 by 2. So order same. Next, corresponding elements are also equal. Here A equals to B, then first element here x, here first element क्या है 1, so x is equals to 1. Corresponding means first to first, second to second, third to third, fourth to fourth. Here first element x, here first element 1, so x is equals to 1. Next, here second element y, here second element 2, so y is equals to 2. Next, z equals to 3 and p is equals to 4. This is the equality matrices. Next one, addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. Addition of matrices and subtraction matrices दोनों same. A plus B. Okay. Addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. You can take two matrices A with the same order 2, 3, 4, 5. B 4, 5, 6, 7. With same order, either 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. Okay. Now A plus B. Add. Only corresponding elements are adding. Corresponding either 2, either 4. Here also symbol here plus, so 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7. So adding 2 plus 4, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 7. So your answer is 2 plus 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Are understanding? Very easy matrices. Okay. Next one, addition. Now we are also sometimes using subtraction, minus. Same that way. You can use like that. A minus B. Here 2 minus 4, 3 minus 5, 5 minus 6, 4 minus 6, 5 minus 7. Here 2 minus 4 minus 2, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 3, 5 minus 2 minus 2. Are observing here? Are understand? Very good. Very easy. Okay. Now we shall discuss once more. What is the definition of matrix? Very good. If the complex numbers are arranged in the form of a rectangular array consisting of the complex number in horizontal lines and vertical lines is called a matrix. Matrices are denoted by capital letters only. Elements are denoted by small letters. Element is denoted by A, I, J. I stands for rows, J stands for columns. Always rows counted from top to bottom, columns are counted from left to right. Okay. Next, order. What is the definition of order? Number of rows into number of columns. Next one, हम क्या क्या डिस्कस किया? Okay, types of matrices. First one, square matrix. Square matrix क्या है? Number of rows is equals to number of columns. Next, second matrix क्या है? Rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix क्या है? Number of rows not equals to number of columns. Not equals to. स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स इज इक्वल्स टू, हियर नॉट इक्वल्स टू। नेक्स्ट वन हम क्या क्या डिस्कस किया, रो मैट्रिक्स। रो मैट्रिक्स क्या है, मैट्रिक्स हैविंग ओनली वन रो। कॉलम मैट्रिक्स क्या है, मैट्रिक्स हैविंग ओनली वन कॉलम, वन कॉलम। नेक्स्ट वन क्या क्या डिस्कस किया, ओ नेक्स्ट वन इज स्केलर मैट्रिक्स। स्केलर मैट्रिक्स के बिफोर डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स। डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स क्या है, ये स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स इज सेड टू बी डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स इफ प्रिंसिपल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल्स all are not equals to 0 and remaining are zeros, okay, remaining are zeros is called a diagonal matrix. Next one क्या है, scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if elements of a principal diagonal all are equal and okay, all are equal. Next one node point is there. What is that, every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but diagonal matrix need not be a scalar matrix. Next one क्या है, identity matrix. Identity matrix क्या है, principal elements all are equals to 1 and remaining are zeros, and identity matrix is denoted by capital I. Okay, next one zero matrix. Zero matrix means elements of a matrix all are zeros and it is denoted by O. Okay, next one equal matrices. Equal matrices क्या है, first of all we can check order of the matrices. Order of A is equals to order of B, and second point क्या है, corresponding elements are also equal. Next one addition is also same. Okay.